Yes, I can see you. 'Cause every girl here wanna be you.
Hey ma,
What's up?
let's slide. Alright,
And we gon' get it on tonight.
you smoke,
I smoke.
I drink,
Me too.
well good.
'Cause we gon' get high tonight.
Got drops,
Got cool.
got trucks.
Got you.
Alright,
'Cause we gon' take a ride tonight.
so ma,
What's up?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright,
And we gon' get it on
Now I was downtown clubbing, ladies night. Seen shorty, she was crazy, right? And I approached baby like, "Mom, what's your Asian type?" She looked at me and said, "Hey, you's a baby, right?" I told her I'm 18 and live a crazy life. Plus I'll tell you what the 80s like, and I know what the ladies like. Need a man that's polite, listens and takes advice. Well, I could be all three. Plus I could lay the pipe. Come with me, come stay the night. She looked at me laughing like, "Boy, your game is tight." I'm laughing back like, "Show you right, get in the car. And don't touch nothing, sit in the car, let's discuss something. Either we love or not, see you tomorrow." And now we're speeding up the west side and creeping up the left side. I'm ready to do it, ready to bone, ready for dawn. 50-50 exit, damn, we already home. Now let's get it on.
What's up?
Let's slide.
Alright.
Alright. And we gon' get it on tonight.
you smoke,
I smoke.
I drink,
Me too.
well good.
'Cause we gon' get high tonight.
Got drops,
Got cool.
got trucks.
Got you.
Alright,
'Cause we gon' take a ride tonight.
so ma,
What's up?
let's slide.
Alright.
Alright,
And we gon' get it.
I got a girl, my ex wanna holler and spit. Told me to acknowledge it quick. She like mashed out frontin' on that Dave House to tip. Come over, let's swallow and sip. I'm like, mama's sick, I promise you dick. Usually have a problem with chicks, why? They all say I'm riding and rich, but not her. Boobies real, high heel doobie feel. Plus got them Gucci wheels, yeah. You a cutie still, and this my down girl too. Ain't no groupie deal. We left the movies with Uzi, Suzuki wheels to the jacuzzi. I tell you my boobies real, yeah. I mean she do be winning, Louis spinning.